Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for George in Maryland on the Stryker SR-655hp. George, we got you ready to go. We removed the FQP 13N10s and installed the ERF 2030 Plus FETs and installed the Max mod for durability. Let's get right to it. Alright, power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Now we set it up to turn down to about 1 watt. However, I don't recommend you running it that low, but that just gives you full adjustability. You decide to run an amplifier. 100-watt slug, 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 46 bird. Peak power. Hello. And 84 peak. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye-bye.